how to fix the mail not working on your iPhone. So if you're not receiving emails or you're unable to send emails, I'm going to show you exactly how to go and solve this. Now, first thing you need to do is just go and load up the Mail app on your phone. So the first thing you want to do is click on this filter icon in the bottom left hand side and just make sure you don't have any kind of filter set up. So if I go and click on this again, you can see the filter is now turned off. You can then click on the back arrow in the top left hand side of the screen and then click on all inboxes. You can then check to see if you can see your email from here. Now if it's not working, we're going to close out of this app and then just load up the settings on your phone. You'll then need to scroll down and click on General, scroll down to Date and Time and click on this, and make sure Set Automatically is turned on. Now come back over to the main settings page, scroll down to the very bottom and click on Apps. Now scroll down again until you see the Mail app and click on this. Now click on Mail Accounts and click on Fetch New Data. Make sure Push is turned on and enabled, and make sure Fetch at the bottom here is set to automatically. Now you'll also need to do the same thing for each individual account as well. So go and click on any of your accounts and make sure you have Push selected like so. Now if you don't see the option for Push, you can go and use Fetch instead. Now once you've done that, head back over to your Mail accounts and go and click on each account like so and make sure Mail is toggled to on. If it's still not working, you can also click on Account Settings and make sure you have the correct information set up for your account. Now if it's not working or you've changed the password recently for your email account, then what you'll need to do is go and delete the account and then you can try re-adding it. So you can press the Delete Account button, and once the email's been deleted, you can just go and press Add Account. You could then press Choose from a list and go through the steps to re-add your email account. Once you've done this, head back over to the Mail app and come back over to all inboxes. You can then select the inbox that you want to view, and you should now be able to see your emails in the Mail app.